Okay, so Kanza, you will go first. Rafe, Daniel, and then Kadeep. Alright, yes. Kanza, would you like to share your... yes.
Yes, when I was 6 years old, I had chickenpox. Chickenpox was a viral disease that I got from school. And when I got chickenpox, the doctor recommended me that I should stay home and rest and stay away from people and do not have the direct contact.
But what were the symptoms of the disease?
The symptoms were that
what did you feel? Yeah.
I used to have fever and my eyes used to get red all the time, and I had small pimples on my face.
Okay, so what did the doctor advise you?
The doctor
during
advised me calamine lotion.
Okay.
And he said that I should use neem water often.
Okay.
And the goat milk. And he said that I should stay home.
Okay. Do you remember at that time, do you remember what medicines did he advise you for that? Did he advise you of vaccination?
Yes, he said that to prevent this disease,
yes,
we should have the MMR vaccination done.
Okay, that's good. All right. Yes, next. Yes, Rafiq.
When I was 6 years old, I suffered from influenza. Influenza is a disease from the viral infection. And when I think it happened because someone coughed or sneezed in front of me. So
do you think that it was person-to-person contact?
Yes.
Okay.
I started to feel dizzy sometimes, and I had muscle pains, and my eyes started to ache when I opened them for too long. So the doctor advised me to get vaccinated to prevent this disease, and he said that I should stay away from school for 15 days, 10 to 15 days, and then and to drink plenty of liquids and have plenty of rest.
Okay, so you were not allowed for like going to school or even that for 15 days. Okay. Yes, Kadeep would like to share their experience.
A couple of years ago, I had a friend and he was suffering from polio. At first, he had fever and back pain, and while he went to the doctor, he got to know that he was suffering from polio. So he was advised to take medicines and a vaccine, and he also.
So how did you know that he had polio? There was some. How was he? Wasn't he able to walk, or what was it like?
No, he had a fever and back pain, so his mother took her to the doctor, so the doctor told him that it is...
Could he walk properly? Now Daniel would share his experience.
When I was 8, I got measles, and The symptoms were that first I was feeling cold, then I get a little cough, and my eyes got full red.
Okay, so what did the doctor advise you?
The doctor advised me to take MMR vaccines and some medicines. He told me that Panadol Extra and the Panadol.
People ready?
Yes.
Okay, what is your topic?
Polio.
Can I see the heading?
Yes.
Alright, very good. Now are you ready to put up the board? Yes, please put it up. Is this group ready? Okay, what is your topic? Mom. Okay, how about putting the board up now? Set the board on the wall. Yes. All the group members? Yes. Please place the board. Chicken pox. Please place the board. Measles. Alright, please place the board. All the group members? Yes.
Few students students of beginner school have created an awareness camp. Let's see what have they done.
We have put the awareness camp so the people who don't know about the treatment of the polio can know about the treatment of the polio. And inshallah, we will finish the polio one day.
Alvi, and you are watching Fox News with me. Today the topic that we will discuss on with our guests that are Minahil Urooj from Healthcare Hospital, she's a doctor, and our expert, Umair Afzal, who has recently come from New York. Now, the topic that we're talking on is the common diseases in the world and the common diseases in Pakistan. Well, that is mumps these days, and which is really common in Balochistan. Now we will stay online with our reporter Bilal, who will update us with the recent news. Hello Bilal, can you listen?
Hello, Ganga. I'm here with National Refugee Camp at Balochistan, and I'm here with patient Azhar. Azhar, how are you treated in here?
I'm fine, but the government is not helping me to recover from this problem.
For how many days you are in this place?
Approximately 1 week.
There are no good doctors who are treating you?
No, I have not also got it vaccinated.
Okay, so you are saying that this you are not treated well right here.
Yeah, of course. So I want a good support from the citizens.
You want a good support from the citizens. So why did you come here to this place?
So I'm very poor and I do not have enough money to be vaccinated.
So can you come to our studio and we can help you in your money and you can
Yes,
come to our
we
studio.
would like you and him to come to our studio, and there we will make him get treated with our expert and our doctor. Where have you been? You've been in Balochistan, and who have been taking care of you these days?
No one is taking care of my disease because my both parents are out and working abroad.
Okay, so here are two doctors, Mrs. Minahil Urooj and Umair Afzal. Okay, so we would like to ask Minahil. Minahil, what is the cause of mumps?
Mumps are caused by virus which is commonly in children.
Okay, and can you tell me that how to prevent it, Umair Afzal? Dr. Umair?
It can be cured by MMR vaccination, and it's caused by mumps virus, which belongs to family of virus known as Paramyxovirus, and it's common source of infection, particularly in children.
Symptoms. Okay, so Minahil, can you tell me the symptoms of this mumps?
The symptoms of mumps are cold, cough and reddish eyes. These are the medicines for cough and these are for the reddish eyes.
So, do you have to know that your children these days? Hold up. Since mumps is really common in children these days, Channel Fox News have started a campaign to spread the awareness for the mumps, and we would like to have an advice from our expert.
Here you can see that everything is written here. The causes of mumps is it's caused by virus which name is Paramyxovirus, and it's a common source of infection.
What else can you see on the board?
How does a person get his face when he suffers from
As we all know that polio patients are increasing day by day, so Abdul Qadir Rehan will tell us about this disease.
Yes, Rahul. Today I am with patient Sakib, and look, he is coming over there. Hello, Sakib. How are you?
I'm just fine.
Okay, Sakib. Can you tell us about the disease you are suffering from?
This disease is very bad. Because of this disease, I am on this bed on this wheelchair. I cannot do anything without my mother and my father's help. I am not scared of this disease. I
Now-
wish I could come.
May Allah bless you. May Allah give you patience. Now I will go to the expert Taha. Yes, Can you tell us how many types of polio are there?
There are 3 types of polio. Number 1, symptoms of subclinical infection. Number 2, symptoms of non-paralytic poliomyelitis. Number 3, symptoms of paralytic poliomyelitis.
Can you tell us about the symptoms of this polio?
Yes, of course. General discomfort or uneasiness, headache, red throat. People with subclinical polio infection might not have symptoms, or their symptoms may last for 72 hours or less. Clinical poliomyelitis affects the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and it is divided into non-paralytic forms. It may occur after a recovery from a subclinical infection.
Okay, thank you for that. Now I will go to the doctor. Dr. Dao will tell us about the disease. Yes. Can you tell us about the mode of transmission of polio?
The mode of transmission of polio is that there are many kinds of transmission, and transmission is passing through a communicable disease from one person to another person, as maybe it includes the droplets. It includes the droplets contact, which is sneezing and coughing to another person, and direct contact, physical contact, which includes the touching to one person to another, or the sexual contact, or indirect physical contact includes the touching to the contamination of soil.
Hold on. Now,
The problem of the disease is called measles. We have one doctor, an expert, Dr. Shayan Ahmed from Healthcare Hospital, and expert Mr. from California. Yes, news reporter. Please, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
So please tell us some about measles.
I am having a patient who is suffering from measles and his name is Alison. He is coming to a clinic to have a checkup.
How are you feeling, Alison?
I am feeling lazy and I realize that and have pimples on my face.
Measles is a viral disease which spread by contact to a measles patient. There are some medicines for this disease like Praline and Emerald. And you have to take also MMR vaccine so you can be fine.
Thank you, Mr. Shayan. Please, Mr. Mohammadin, would you share something about this disease?
Mr. Daniel, as usually, experts are those which contain experience, and I also in last few days I also get the measles as hearing the saying of Mr. Shayan and Alison. I would like to say that measles is a type of chickenpox which is transmitted by the contraction of eyes. But if you will have a long eye contraction with a measles patient, you will got in a chickenpox. Yes.